Here I have CAT S41 and let me show you how to set the wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's tap apps icon, choose settings. Here you have to select the display, it's under device tab, and here you can choose the wallpaper. So you can decide that you would like to use live wallpapers, photos, or the simple wallpapers from the CAT. In my case it could be wallpapers from the CAT. Here I have a couple of wallpapers that I can use. So let me choose, for example, that one. Let's choose set wallpaper, and you have to decide that you would like to use it on home screen or on the lock screen, or you may use it on the both screens. In my case, let me use on the both screens, and that's it. You just change the wallpaper of the device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.